gonna be interesting walking up to the summit in this.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
We are so good.
Super.
Super. Are you coming up tonight?
Yeah.
Or this morning?
Morning.
Nice. Apparently there's some huge wind blasts up on the ridge lines. We have about 3,500 feet to climb to make it to the summit. Got a fresh layer of snow last night. Starting at midnight, we should get there right at sunrise. So it's a daunting task, feeling so blasted, weather, dirty, we smell, but that's what mountain climbing is, and I couldn't be more stoked to be here, to challenge myself, and to make it to the top of that mountain. We are 2 hours up for a night hike, drinking some water, eating some snacks. We have a ways to go, but it's happening, you guys. It's happening. Woo! There's the moon. There's the line of climbers attempting to summit. How you doing, Johnny?
Slightly out of breath.
Yeah, it's gnarly.
This is the second time in 3 months, and it doesn't get any easier. It's not a walk in the park. The lack of oxygen is just another level. It throws your head a bit, you can go a bit nauseous, plays games with you, thinking like, can I go on? Do I need to sit down? All the things you wouldn't normally do, and that's coming from somebody who can run ultra marathons. So,
Yeah.
you know.
And look at that sunrise.
Oh, look at that.
It's just skim light right now, but it's coming. We are definitely feeling it. 18,000 plus, 18 and change. It is a struggle. We gotta go up there.
Oh my God.
And then go up there. Everything's burning. Lungs, head, quads, ankles, feet. We're over Malenzi. I think we should finish this. We are practically there. So this is what no training and not really acclimatizing looks like right now.
Give him some sugar.
Yeah.
Give him something sweet.
Yeah, something sweet, yeah?
We lost like half the group. We thought we were at the summit at Stella Point, and everyone started celebrating. There's this extra little leg, and it is next level. Byron,
Target is in sight.
100 yards. Oh, man. Talk about being on a different planet. The oxygen game is no joke. Talk. Yes. That feels good. That last leg was so hard. All of the challenge of the 6 days into that last leg. Thank you, Africa. Thank you, Tanzania. Oh, sweet heaven. Oh, so good. In bottled form. Max, your trip's not over. Byron, you're getting in and out in small spoon cuddles in like 24 hours. Tanzania style. We got the kite and foil gear onto the safari vehicle and we are heading to Zanzibar. Yoop, yoop, yoop. Mom, Dad, I made it. Top of Mount Kilimanjaro, highest point in Africa, 19,340 feet. You take a look over there, that's Kenya. You take a look over here, that's Tanzania. I just wanted to share this moment with you guys. I love you guys so much. Without you guys, I wouldn't be here right now. I know how much you guys sacrifice and have sacrificed to give Caleb and I the life that we have. I just love you guys so much and wanted to share this moment with you guys. Yeah, sorry I'm a mess. The last 6 days have been absolutely crazy. Took a long time to get up here. We left at 11 p.m. last night, have walked straight through the night. The sun just came up. It's been absolutely hectic. And there's not a lot of oxygen up here. It's been very, very hard. But Mom, Dad, I love you guys. I'll see you guys at Thanksgiving. Now I just gotta clamp down this thing. It's gonna take a couple days, but the hard part's over. Bye, Mom and Dad, I love you.